The 2023 Ram chassis cab dashboard warning lights provide critical alerts on vehicle systems, performance, and safety. Understanding these indicators helps ensure proper maintenance, reliability, and safe operation. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced, user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The steering wheel controls the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels. The engine powers the vehicle by converting fuel into mechanical energy. The gear handle design with smooth shifting, integrated controls, and enhanced durability for precise gear selection. Meters and gauges. Cluster indicators. Charge warning light, brake warning light, door open warning light, seatbelt warning light, electronic throttle control warning, engine oil pressure warning light, engine coolant temperature warning, supplemental airbag warning light, slip indicator light, anti-lock brake system indicator, front fog light indicator light, malfunction indicator light, low tire pressure warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, side light and headlight indicator light, high beam indicator, hood open warning light, trailer brake disconnected warning light, transmission temperature warning light, electronic stability control, ESC, off warning light, oil temperature warning light, low fuel warning light, low coolant level warning light, loose fuel filler cap warning light, rear axle locker fault warning light, service four-wheel drive warning light, service lane sense warning light, air suspension alternate trailer height indication light, air suspension bed lowering mode indication light, air suspension payload protection indicator light, air suspension fault warning light, air suspension ride height raising indicator light, air suspension ride height lowering indicator light, low washer fluid warning light, service forward collision, cruise control fault warning light, sway bar fault warning light, cargo indicator light, cold ambient derate mode indicator light, diesel exhaust indicator light, forward collision warning, front and rear axle lock indicator light, low diesel exhaust fluid indicator warning, neutral indicator light, rear axle lock indicator light, four-wheel drive lock indicator light, four-wheel drive low indicator light, four-wheel drive high indicator light, snowplow mode indicator light, sway bar indicator light, tow haul indicator light, water and fuel indicator light, wait to start indicator light, adaptive cruise control with no target detected indicator light, adaptive cruise control with target indicator light, automatic diesel exhaust brake indicator light, eco mode indicator light, hill descent control indicator light, Set speed display indicator light. Trailer merge assist indicator light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.